Congratulations, you finally made it to DU. But अब एक इससे भी बड़ा क्वेश्चन सामने आता है and that is कॉलेज का फर्स्ट वीक कैसा होगा? क्या मूवीज की तरह होगा? क्या इंस्टेंटली मेरे फ्रेंड्स बनेंगे? क्लासेस कब से शुरू होंगी? एग्जाम्स कैसे होंगे एंड व्हाट नॉट? अगर आपके भी दिमाग में यही सारे क्वेश्चंस है एज अ फ्रेशर, सो डोंट वरी बिकॉज आई हैव बीन देयर, डन दैट एंड आई एम गोना टेल यू एग्जैक्टली हाउ योर फर्स्ट वीक इन DU is gonna look like. It's me Vidhi. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here, and today I'm going to tell you how your first week in DU is actually gonna look like. So a little backstory. I graduated from LSR, also known as Lady Shri Ram College for Women, Delhi University, a year ago. Wow, time really flies. Lekin I still remember vividly my very first week in college. So I was like, let me just share all of those experiences with you because I know as a fresher how overwhelming this whole college experience can be. So I'm here to help you guys out, and if you are interested, please keep on watching. Okay, so number one, orientation, orientations and more orientations. So सबसे पहले तो be prepared because your first few days in college won't actually be full-fledged classes. So सबसे पहले college के first day होती है college orientation where you'll meet your principal and the faculty members, and वहाँ आपको college के बारे में सब कुछ बताया जाता है, कॉलेज की हिस्ट्री, फैसिलिटीज, अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड व्हाट नॉट. उसके बाद होती है आपके स्पेसिफिक डिपार्टमेंट की ओरिएंटेशन वेयर यू विल मीट योर प्रोफेसर्स एंड योर एक्चुअल क्लासमेट्स, एंड यू विल आल्सो गेट टू नो अबाउट द कोर्स स्ट्रक्चर, द सब्जेक्ट्स, असाइनमेंट्स, हाउ योर डिपार्टमेंट वर्क्स एक्सेट्रा. एंड फिर द नेवर एंडिंग ओरिएंटेशन सीजन बिगिंस. हर सोसाइटी, हर सेल, NSS, NCC, इलेक्टिव्स, सबकी ओरिएंटेशन होगी, and trust me, attend as many orientations as possible. A lot of freshers skip them because they think कि बाद में देख लेंगे या मुझे इस particular society में interest ही नहीं है. But I would suggest that attend as many orientations as possible because अभी आप एकदम new होते हैं, हमें पता ही नहीं है कि what that particular society or that cell stands for. तो जब तक आप उनके orientation attend नहीं करोगे, एक introduction नहीं ले लोगे, तब तक आपको कैसे interest आएगा, right? So I remember मैंने college के first week में जितनी भी orientations हो रही थी, मैंने सब कुछ attend किया था so that I can make an informed decision कि मुझे किस में पार्ट लेना है और किस में नहीं. So just carry one small notebook and one pen with you, and हर orientation में just write the important points कि society exactly करती क्या है, time commitment कितना है, registration process क्या है, recruitment कैसे होती है, etc. Then number 2, your academics will begin and it will feel different. So once the orientations are over, आपकी actual पढ़ाई शुरू हो जाती है, and if you are a fresher, प्लीज टेक योर स्टडी सीरियसली फ्रॉम डे वन. मैं ऐसा इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि स्कूल और कॉलेज की पढ़ाई कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट है. यहाँ आपको कोई भी स्पून फीड नहीं करता है. यू विल गेट लॉन्ग रीडिंग्स, रिसर्च पेपर्स, PDFs, असाइनमेंट्स, ट्यूटोरियल्स एंड व्हाट नॉट. ऑल्सो इफ यू हैव थ्योरी सब्जेक्ट्स इन योर कोर्स देन आंसर राइटिंग प्लेज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. एंड फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के अंदर हम सब कुछ ना कुछ गलती करते हैं आंसर राइटिंग करने में. इसलिए मेरी एडवाइस होगी दैट practice the art of answer writing from the very beginning so that आपको बाद में एक शॉक ना लगे कि ये कैसे मैं करूँ. And I know first semester सबको overwhelming लगता है and it is very very normal, but जैसे जैसे semester आगे बढ़ता है you will get to know what exactly your professors want in the answers, notes कैसे बनाने हैं, exam के लिए कैसे prepare करना है, etc. So don't panic if everything feels confusing initially because you will figure it out eventually. I'm just saying that don't ignore your studies in the first 1 week or 1 month of your college. Number 3 and probably one of the biggest concern जो I think हर एक fresher का होता है, और वो है friends बनेंगे कि नहीं. See, everyone looks confident from the outside, okay, but the reality is that almost everyone is nervous on the first day of their college. Almost everyone is anxious and almost everyone is thinking कि क्या कोई मुझसे बात करेगा. So if no one talks to you immediately, that doesn't mean that there is something wrong with you. It simply means that they are as anxious as you are. So my biggest biggest advice, take the initiative. Introduce yourself. Start asking ice-breaking questions like, hi, what's your name? Which course are you from? Are you from Delhi or are you living in a hostel? Because trust me, one small conversation can turn into a friendship for the next 3 years or even for a lifetime. You may never know. Because अगर मैं आपको अपने बारे में बताऊँ, so during my first day in college, during the college orientation, I was sitting right next to a girl and I started talking to her and it turns out कि वो मेरे department की ही है and now she is one of my closest, bestest friends from college. Kavya, if you're watching, I love you. And I really thank God every single time कि मेरे में इतने guts आ गए और मैंने उससे बात कर ली and now she is one of my very, very close friends. So you may never know whom you end up talking to. Also, don't hesitate in talking to your seniors because they are honestly one of your biggest resources. They can help you with notes, internships, society auditions, placements, etc. Let's move on to the next point and that is explore your campus. Classes खत्म होने के बाद या फिर break में take a proper college tour. Like seriously. Find out where's the library, auditorium, canteen, sports complex, admin. Also, every DU college has its own hidden gems. Like एक college में spot होता है जहाँ पे photo सबसे अच्छी आती है या फिर एक ऐसी bench होती है जहाँ पर सब free lectures में आके बैठते हैं या फिर एक ऐसा चाय का stall होता है जो सबसे tasty चाय बनाता है. So explore all of these places because these little memories will become one of your favorite memories in college. And finally, last point is don't try to figure out your entire college life in just 1 week. I think a lot of freshers think that I need to find my best friends immediately or I need to get into the best society or I need to know exactly what career I want in my life. Relax. It is literally your first week. Nobody has everything figured out. College is all about exploring. You will change, your interest will change, your friend circle might change, and all of this is completely normal. So just focus on enjoying the process. Because trust me, आज जो campus तुम्हें unfamiliar लग रहा है, in a few months it will start feeling like home. And with that, we are finally at the end of the video. So if you are joining DU this year, congratulations once again. And if you want to know anything related to DU, whether it's internships, attendance, classes, societies and whatnot, please drop them in the comments and I'll definitely make more videos like this. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.